Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best two-seater shirt is probably one of the most innovative and conversation-starting pieces of apparel to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique way for couples or close friends to share a single garment, making it perfect for festivals, parties, or just a fun day out where you want to stand out and create memorable experiences together. This isn't just clothing, it's an interactive statement piece designed to foster connection and shared enjoyment, turning heads and sparking smiles wherever you go. Number 5. Hardaddy Men's Vintage Bowling Shirt. Step back in time with a touch of vintage flair. This shirt offers a classic look with the comfort you need for any casual occasion. Enjoy the freedom of short sleeves, perfect for warmer weather. It's designed for a relaxed fit that keeps you cool and stylish. The traditional button-down front makes it easy to wear and adjust. It's a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down effortlessly. Embrace the spirit of summer with its vibrant Hawaiian-inspired print. This design adds a playful and eye-catching element to your outfit. Whether you're heading to the beach or just out for a casual day, this shirt is your perfect companion. It combines laid-back style with a touch of personality. This printed casual shirt is all about effortless style. It's made for those who appreciate unique designs and comfortable wear. What we like? This shirt offers a unique vintage bowling aesthetic with a fun Hawaiian print. If you're looking for a casual, retro vibe for your summer beach outings or casual gatherings, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a distinctive and relaxed style. What people say? The shirt is made of a soft, breathable cotton blend that feels great against the skin. The fit is true to size and very flattering, with a slightly relaxed silhouette that doesn't cling. The unique two-seater design is a conversation starter and perfect for couples who want to show off their matching style. Number 4. Two-seater Dad Funny Gift T-shirt. Looking for a unique and funny gift for Dad? This T-shirt is sure to bring a smile to his face. Featuring a fun, two-seater design, this shirt is perfect for the dad who loves a good laugh. Made with soft, comfortable fabric, it's great for everyday wear. He'll love how it looks and feels. Show Dad how much you appreciate him with this hilarious and thoughtful present. It's a gift that truly speaks volumes. Make his next birthday or Father's Day unforgettable. This T-shirt is the perfect way to celebrate him. What we like? This tee features a humorous two-seater theme, making it an ideal funny gift for dads or anyone with a sense of humor. If you're searching for a lighthearted and comfortable T-shirt that sparks conversation, this is the one. It's great for casual wear and as a fun present. What people say? The shirt is made of a soft, breathable cotton blend that is perfect for warm weather. The fit is true to size and the shirt drapes nicely without being too clingy. The design is simple yet stylish, with a classic crew neck and short sleeves that can be easily dressed up or down. Number 3. Two-seater T-shirt. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort and style with our brand new two-seater T-shirt. It's designed for those who appreciate both fashion and ease. Crafted from premium, soft fabric, this tee offers unparalleled comfort all day long. You'll love how it feels against your skin. Its classic design makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for any occasion. Dress it up or down, it always looks great. We've ensured it's built to last, maintaining its shape and color wash after wash. This is a staple you'll reach for again and again. Designed to provide a relaxed yet flattering fit, it's ideal for everyone. Enjoy a look that's both modern and timeless. Add this essential piece to your collection and instantly elevate your everyday style. It's the perfect blend of comfort and fashion. What we like? This option boasts a straightforward and clear, two-seater design, offering great versatility. If you prefer a minimalist and direct statement piece that's easy to pair with anything, you should consider this. It's suitable for everyday wear and for those who like their message to be instantly understood. What people say? The shirt is made of a soft, breathable cotton blend that is perfect for warm weather. The fit is true to size and the shirt drapes nicely without being too clingy. The unique two-seater design is a real conversation starter and looks great with jeans or shorts. Number 2. Two-seater Arrow 4th of July American Flag Shirt. Show your patriotic spirit this 4th of July with this unique American flag shirt. It's the perfect way to commemorate the holiday. Featuring a distinctive two-seater design, this shirt stands out from the crowd. It's a fun and eye-catching addition to your festive attire. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt is made from soft, breathable fabric. You'll feel great wearing it all day long, whether at a barbecue or fireworks display. Looking for a great gift for a loved one? This American flag tee is an ideal present for anyone who loves to celebrate the 4th of July. Wear your pride on your sleeve with this symbolic shirt. It's more than just clothing, it's a statement of freedom and patriotism. What we like? Show your patriotic spirit with this American flag design, perfect for the 4th of July. If you're looking for a festive and eye-catching shirt to celebrate national holidays or show your pride, this is an excellent pick. It's ideal for parades, BBQs, and any patriotic event. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for summer wear. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The color is vibrant and has held up well after multiple washes. Number 1. Two-seater t-shirt. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort and style with our brand new two-seater t-shirt. It's designed for those who appreciate a relaxed fit and a touch of individuality. Crafted from premium, soft fabric, this tee offers unparalleled comfort all day long. You'll love how it feels against your skin. Make a statement with its distinctive design. It's perfect for casual outings or lounging at home, adding a cool vibe to any look. This versatile piece pairs effortlessly with your favorite jeans or shorts. It's the go-to option for effortless everyday fashion. Designed with a relaxed fit, it ensures freedom of movement and a flattering silhouette for everyone. Enjoy a comfortable and stylish wear. Upgrade your wardrobe with this essential addition. It's more than just a t-shirt, it's a lifestyle. What we like? This t-shirt makes a bold statement with its prominent, two-seater text, offering a modern look. If you want a stylish and impactful piece that stands out and conveys a clear message, this is the one for you. It's perfect for casual outings where you want to make a confident impression. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for summer wear. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The color is vibrant and has held up well after multiple washes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.